Lazer is the oldest helmet company in the world. It was founded in 1919. The company started out making leather goods, and from leather goods they evolved to making leather caps. And leather caps at a certain moment, especially after the Second World War, evolved into motorcycle helmets. In the history of helmet making, it has many firsts to its credit. So there is a huge emphasis on engineering and the tools we need to do innovative engineering. The holy grail of protecting one's head is to absorb the impact gradually. And carbon, being a high strength material with, relative to its properties, very little resin, that allows for the fibers of carbon to fracture individually and gradually. So it sort of absorbs the shock in a very good way. Consumer products now have such a high level of design sophistication. They look good, they're ergonomic, they're very expressive. We feel that as a very high bar, and we therefore put a lot of effort in designing, in surfaces, in sophistication. We try to make things which are beautiful, nice to look at.
You'll find in each employee here a kind of a biker attitude, a kind of head-on. The helmets we end up producing, they're kind of made with passion, and with passion from everyone here. There's always one thing to say, there's always one detail that we didn't see, and so thinking about everything, reaching an agreement on what it will look like, what features it will include, how it will include, and that's the hardest part. The shaping part, the CAD part, I mean, NX makes it a lot easier in terms of parts management, in terms of a surface creation. It's more what do we want to do more than how do we do it.
Mon inspiration, je la trouve dans les rassemblements moto, dans mes passions surtout, étant donné que j'ai beaucoup d'amis motards. Et donc du coup, on fait beaucoup de sorties moto ensemble et ça me permet, moi, de détecter des problèmes qu'on a lors de l'utilisation et puis d'arriver avec des nouvelles solutions et puis de répondre justement à ces problèmes grâce à des nouvelles solutions, à des choses assez innovantes, des idées assez innovantes à mettre en pratique. Et toutes ces idées-là font en sorte de créer un casque toujours de plus en plus efficace. En même temps, ça permet de faire grandir la marque Lazer.
When I really start to work, it's after the designer has made a couple of drawings and maybe already a 3D CAD file. I start working after him and I try to design every part of the helmets in details. Like I will add thickness, I will know how to assemble the parts. I have to take into account the impact test. He's using NX to make a design and I'm using NX to make all the engineering part. Because I just use the CAD file that he's just made. I can start where he finished, so we are saving 2 or 3 weeks.
Shapes like these, which try to sort of give life to the shelf itself, are very difficult to engineer. And there are also limits to what a mold maker can do. But we seek really the extreme edges of molding capabilities. NX was good enough to do this. And this is amongst, I'd say, the most sophisticated on the market today. We want to make helmets which offer real values, real features, real innovations for the benefit of people who really like motorcycling and who jump on a motorbike because they want to be free.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.